Welcome back to InnoCars site. In today's video, we dive deep into one of the most iconic off-roaders ever made, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. This legendary vehicle has a rich history and continues to hold a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. And we're not just looking at its glorious past. We'll also be comparing the original FJ40 with its modern successor, the Toyota Land Cruiser J300, and to provide you with the ultimate perspective. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 was introduced in the 1960s as part of Toyota's famed Land Cruiser series. Designed to tackle the toughest terrains, the FJ40 became synonymous with reliability, durability, and rugged charm. With its boxy design, round headlights, and signature grille, it established itself as a timeless classic. According to the latest updates, the FJ40 featured a robust inline-six engine that delivered power and efficiency, making it ideal for both urban and off-road adventures. Depending on the model year, engine options included the 3.9 lap engine, the 4.2 lap F engine, and even a 3.0 lap B series diesel engine. These engines were mated to either a 3-speed or 4-speed manual transmission, ensuring complete control over any terrain. The FJ40 was designed for versatility. It came with a solid front and rear axle, paired with leaf spring suspension, which offered exceptional off-road capability and durability. The vehicle's ground clearance, approach angle, and departure angle made it a favorite for explorers and adventurers. Furthermore, the 4x4 drivetrain was equipped with a low-range transfer case, enhancing its performance on steep climbs and rocky trails. Inside, the FJ40 kept things simple but functional. It had a minimalist dashboard with easy-to-read gauges, durable vinyl upholstery, and fold-down rear seats to maximize cargo space. Safety features included a roll bar and lap belts, which were considered advanced for its time. Fast forward to today, the Toyota Land Cruiser J300 represents the pinnacle of modern SUV engineering. According to the latest updates, the J300 comes equipped with advanced technology and comfort features while retaining the Land Cruiser's DNA of durability and off-road prowess. Under the hood, the J300 offers powerful engine options, including a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 gasoline engine and a 3.3L V6 diesel engine. These engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless power delivery and improved fuel efficiency. The vehicle also features Toyota's advanced multi-terrain select system, allowing drivers to choose the best driving mode for different surfaces. Finally, the J300's interior is a significant leap forward, offering luxury and technology that the FJ40 could only dream of. It includes leather upholstery, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, and a premium sound system. Safety is a top priority with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. The FJ40 GT has a 1,160-degree scanner. When comparing the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 to the J300, it's clear that both models cater to different needs and eras. The FJ40 stands out for its simplicity, ruggedness, and timeless appeal. It's a vehicle for purists who appreciate the art of manual driving and the thrill of conquering tough terrains without relying on electronics. On the other hand, the J300 is a showcase of modern engineering and luxury. It's built for those who want the best of both worlds, off-road capability and on-road comfort. The advanced features make it an excellent choice for families, long road trips, and daily commuting. So, which one is the best? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you're someone who loves classic vehicles and values mechanical simplicity and heritage, the FJ40 is a perfect choice. It's a collector's dream and a symbol of Toyota's legacy in off-road vehicles. SG40 star. So, however, if you want a vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology, luxury, and unmatched off-road capability, the J300 is the way to go. It's the ultimate Land Cruiser for the modern age, offering reliability and performance in a package that's hard to beat. Both the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 and the J300 have earned their place in the automotive world for different reasons. The FJ40 paved the way with its ruggedness and simplicity, while the J300 pushes boundaries with innovation and comfort. Whichever you choose, you can't go wrong with a Land Cruiser. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this comparison and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InnoCars site. Let us know in the comments which Land Cruiser you prefer and why. See you in the next video.